An amplifier is a very important piece of equipment for any musician. It helps to produce the best quality sounds and breathe life into your music. However, it is very important to take proper care of your amplifier. You need to make sure that it is at a proper height and angle to produce the best results. Well, that is the reason why you need an amp stand. Amp stands have a durable construction and are sturdy enough. Furthermore, you can easily make adjustments to height as well as angle apart from having different other functionalities. Here, we have jotted the best amp stands on Amazon that have received all the praises and appreciation. Take a look to make the right choice. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Gator Frameworks Guitar Combo Amp Stand. This amplifier is the medium from which the sound ultimately comes out in a booming, loud scale. Next, it has a great quality that maintains the quality of music. The Gator Frameworks Guitar Combo Amp Stand is the kind of stand that can take a heavy load. It is from impressive steel construction and comes with rubber ends. While the steel construction gives it durability and longevity, the rubberized feet give this stand stability. Moreover, the maximum load that this terrific amp stand can bear would be up to 176 pounds. Lastly, this has the facilities of being adjusted to get yourself the perfect alignment. The amp stand has such a design that it is very easy to adjust and does not require the hands of an expert. Its minimum height is set to 5 inches from the ground, while the maximum height can go up to 20 inches. This has a weight of 6.31 pounds that will make it easy for you to handle. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Stage RS7000 guitar amp stand. This works with various musical instruments, is as important as the instrument itself or the player. The first step to take good care of your amplifier is to get it off the floor at the earliest. Herein lays the advantage of an amazing amp stand such as the Stage RS7000. The design of this stand comes with an A-frame which enhances the support that this stand can offer. This amp stand is a powerful tool that can easily support your huge amplifier without taking any damage. Moreover, the legs are on a single hinge. Hence, it enables you to easily collapse the stand into a compact dimension, making it easier to carry around. At number 3 on our list, we have the Roland amplifier stand. Roland is a name that most people are familiar with when it comes to the music apparatus. Be it a musical instrument or an amplifier, or even a stand, Roland makes perfect specimens with the most effective design. Conveniently, the Roland ROS S01 amplifier stand is a sturdy piece of hardware to pick your amp up from the floor. The stand has a robust steel body. Thus, the body makes this very strong and durable such that it can withstand a lot of loads. Given that, it comes with rubber feet which ensure that it never slips and harms your amplifier. You can simply fold it for carrying during traveling. At number 4 on our list, we have the Stage RS4000 guitar amplifier stand. When you are going for an amplifier stand, you should choose one that gives weight to a versatile application. The Stage RS4000 is a powerful amplifier with a various range of functions. A terrific feature about this amp is that it features a tiltable axis that allows you to direct the sound to any vertical direction that you want. The construction, however, is perfect for amplifiers which are of a small and compact dimension. Given that, it is made such that it is light in weight. The stand rests on sturdy rubber feet that act as shock absorbers. As a result, get rid of bad vibrations that may affect the quality of sound. At number 5 on our list, we have the Stage RS7500 tiltback tripod guitar. Stage is a popular craftsman of all the artilleries that a musician may ask for and thus keeps making this list. The RS7500 rests on a tripod base that is a very effective way to provide immense support. Besides, the steel construction adds to this stability through its strength. It is so sturdy that it can easily support different amps of various sizes. The stand ends in a 5/8 inches threading point that allows you to connect a boom device or a microphone to this stand easily. Finally, the upper parts have encapsulation in a rubber collar that prevents any scratches from affecting your precious amp. At number 6 on our list, we have the Musician's Gear Deluxe Amp Stand. There are a lot of gears that a musician depends on, and the Musician's Gear is a terrific place to look for them. They make some of the best gears, and the Deluxe Amp Stand is no exception to that. This is a very versatile stand and can support a range of amplifier systems. Besides, the stand has a very well crafting and features an innovative and easy-to-use design. The invert V-shape stands to make way for a stable setup, and the stability is further enhanced using locking pins. This is an easily collapsible into compact dimensions when not in use for easy storage and conveyance. At number 7 on our list, we have the Fender small amplifier stand. Fender is a key player when it comes to musical instruments and gears. The instruments from Fender are top-notch, and so are their complementary gears. This small stand is for small-scale amplifiers. Next, it is particularly useful to enable you to raise the amp above the stage to ensure good sound distribution. You can also align it with any angle you want to ensure that it produces the best quality of sound. Moreover, the amplifier stands on 4 stable, metallic feet that have rubber fixtures in the ends. This is a measure to ensure higher stability when the amplifier stand is in use. At number 8 on our list, we have the Fender amplifier stand, large. It is indeed something that is designed for mainly personal use. It cannot support the bigger amps, but is a great companion for the smaller scale amps. The maximum load that this amazing amp stand can withstand is equivalent to 150 pounds. Plus, it is not much different in design than the other amp stands produced by this brand. The main purpose is to lift the amp from off the ground to ensure that no sound is lost as bad vibration. You can certainly adjust the height for fitting your requirements in the best way. Above all, you can angle this in any direction vertically, allowing focusing the sound blast in any direction you want. At number 9 on our list, we have the Lok AMS BS-625 amplifier stand. The Lok AMS BS-625 amplifier stand is a very sturdy pack that rests on 3 feet. A tripod stand is very well appreciated in such stands as it helps to disperse the mass evenly and makes way for a stable stand. The 3 feet are also loaded with rubber ends. These are an added stabilizing factor while also acting as a shock absorber to prevent the sound from being lost as bad vibrations. Furthermore, the stand mechanism is designed with locking clips that are spring-loaded. Plus, to bring the best out of the product, it supports 5 different height adjustments. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Ultimate Support Amp 150 stand. There are many amp stand systems out there in the market, but none of them is as powerful as this. The Amp 150 design is so structured that it can support a load of up to 75 pounds. Plus, the body comprises of metallic construction to imbibe strength and robustness into this stand. This is a one-piece stand for amplifiers loaded with a tripod base. As a result, it is effective in providing terrific support options to the amp. The arms that support the amp arise from the legs only. Thus it is collapsed into a small and compact structure when not in function. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.